Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In our previous video, this was the point where we reached, and as soon as we click on the report, and you have the all the historical data ready in the table data. So with few seconds, you will get these two great information. The first is the top three best days, and the other is the month-wise uh, and year-wise views totals are shown, right, in a comparative manner. You can compare that each year. Okay, so you can compare each month of 1 year with the same on the other year, right? And then you can draw some conclusion what to do, how to improve your performance, etc. But here, let's use a graph. Let's see how we can draw a graph, right? So making graph in Excel is very easy. All you need to do is, if you have all this information ready in a tabular form, then all you need to do is select this data and go to the insert, go to the insert and go to the chart. Like, for example, we want to have a line chart, right? So there are few charts like this. As soon as you select some, I'm not selecting, but it is suggesting and telling you, will it look like good for you, or this one, 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 right? So you have to see that which of the graph best suits you, your requirement. Okay, so let's take this graph, right? So it has automatically given a color to the both of the series of the data, right? That is blue uh, is the year to 2023, and the red is the year 2024, right? And this was the progress. It went very well, although there were zeros uh, from January to June to May, there was zero. Then in the June, it went up and then up and then up. Then it fall down, then gone up, and this how it completed the December, right? So this was the trend in 2023, and whereas in 2024 is this, right? So another thing we can do is we don't like these to be properly named, right? For example, you click in here and select the data. Okay, you select the data, and in this data you have this series one. Series one is for for 2023. So let's edit it. We don't want this to be listed as series one. Let's say it, whatever is written here, this gives the name of the series, right? This is the name of the series, and this is the series values B, okay? And we click OK. And similarly, we do the same thing, editing here, and this is series two, right? And this is 2024. So this time it is more meaningful by this, right? And also, this is the title. How about the title? Let's make the title more meaningful. Hmm? The title of the chart is written chart title. So let's write it's a comparative analysis. Huh? Comparative analysis. That's it. So this becomes the chart. And what if we want this to be done? So we do not want this to be done each time we do that. Huh? So it should be completed as soon as we click here. When these all figures are coming automatically, why not this chart is coming out automatically, right? So what we need to do is make a recording of this making of the chart and give it a name. So we have recorded all this, and if you see, we have VBA code already recorded analysis, and we go to the edit to show it to you, right? You see, this is the record. It selects all C8 to C19, and then it uses the source, and it uses the stacked lines and this and that. Okay, yeah. This is not a stack line. Actually, it is supposed to be Excel lines. This doesn't matter, you know. If you choose a wrong uh, type of the chart, so it would be difficult for you to draw some meaning of it, because it will be a confused. It might be a confused chart, right? So where is it? The analysis. I think, yeah, this one. So we use not this chart, rather we use this one. This is Excel line maker, right? If I do and look, I will show you. First of all, I put it here as a so that I don't have to copy it again, right? So I use this chart. If I use this chart, so what would be it showing? Let's see. Later on, I will tell you why we need to replace this, right? And what is the importance of the chart type, right? Okay, so we go out of it and we get back to chart. So it will do everything, and also it will draw the chart. So it has drawn the chart, right? It has drawn the chart, it has written the comparative analysis, it has rightly named this, but the chart is wrong, because the wrong type, this type of the chart is not drawing the true picture of your performance, right? Okay, so chart type does have a very meaningful impact, and you have to check which chart type is more pertinent to you and more suitable, more appropriate for you, right? So now let me get the right chart type, and that is alter F11. I remove it from here. Let me make a copy here, Control C. We put it here, Control V, and we remove this one from here. So we have replaced it actually. We have replaced it, right? So this was just to show you choosing a wrong uh, chart type will badly impact your results of the chart, right? It's a bad result. You know? And to 2024, it is showing 4,000, whereas in December, the 2024 it was below 1,000, right? So it's inaccurate, because it's not because something that the Excel is doing wrong. We have chosen the wrong chart type. Now, since we have put the right chart type, and when we click in here, so it is going to be corrected, and you will see the right result is coming. In 2024, the progress is way down and deteriorating in terms of our channel's performance, right? So we need to work out uh, uh, to how to improve it, keep an eye on this time to time, and whether the improvement is being done or not, right? So we have to check. So your Excel charts can also help you make the decision about your channels, about your videos which you create, and how you have to, which topic you have to change, what changes you need uh, to draw, so that you get your contents get attracted. Hmm. uh, uh, you means to get the attraction, and you have more viewers attracted towards videos, right? So for this, you have to keep an eye on the performance of your video and make adjustment. And for this, Excel is going to help you to do the comparative analysis and take the decision. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you.